Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a chocolate cookie. So not a chocolate chip cookie, but a chocolate cookie with chocolate chips. Exactly. And you can add in whatever you like. Do you want to add in white chocolate chips? Go ahead. Pretzels? Sure. Potato chips? Absolutely. I will be adding some semi-sweet chocolate chips, some peanut butter chips, and butterscotch chips into this recipe. And I'm also adding in a half teaspoon of espresso powder just to pull that chocolate flavor even more through. It is optional. Let's get to it, but was inspired by this song for those watching Daisy Jones and the Six. We've made cookies a little bit ago. They were so good they'll make your mind blow. Will this version now steal the show? Tell me. Oh, we're making a chocolate cookie. Oh, we're making a chocolate cookie. Yeah, let's make the chocolate cookies. Egg, sugar. Whisk together for about a minute until it's light and fluffy and pale yellow. Melted butter. Whisk again. Add the cocoa. Whisk until combined. Flour, baking soda, salt. Add in your optional espresso powder. Whisk together. Add your dry ingredients. Mix together until fully combined. Add in your chocolate chips or whatever you're adding to yours. The recipe does not call for this, but you should refrigerate your cookie dough for at least 30 minutes, if not up to 2 days. Yes, 2 days. Using a tablespoon scoop, use that. Into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Time's up. They're looking good. Let's take them out. Ooh, don't those look good? These look great. Let them cool on the pan, but you can eat them warm, so we'll be back in a sec. Look at this great chocolate cookie. It's got lots of chips in it, and you can see it kept the thickness. That is great to see in a cookie. The size is perfect. Let's give it a bite. The cookie itself is a little crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, just like what you want. Oh, cookie is falling apart in my hands. This cookie is warm. And the bite that I took had a butterscotch and a peanut butter chip in it, which was excellent along with that chocolate cookie. The chocolate cookie itself sort of tastes like a little bit like a brownie, kind of like everything that you would want in a chocolate cookie. These are great. Let me know if you make them and what you make them with. What did you put in your chocolate cookies? They're excellent. If I can make these chocolate chip cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.